Just another morning, coffee cooling by the sink, sunlight on the counter. Before I even think, I'm looking out the window, watching cars go rolling by. Then a face shows up in color, like a painting in my mind. This is no ordinary day, no ordinary life I live. You're dancing in the mundane, like light through kitchen glass. It looks like nothing's happening. Heaven keeps on speaking. What seems ordinary to me is your extraordinary. Just another errand, keys are jingling in my hand, standing in the grocery line. Halfway through a plan, then I see a blue front porch, a dog beside the stairs, someone's father laughing like he's standing right there. This is no ordinary day, no ordinary life I live. You're dancing in the mundane, like light through kitchen glass. It looks like nothing's happening, but heaven keeps on speaking. What seems ordinary to me is your extraordinary. Just another evening, folding towels on the bed, halfway to tomorrow. While I'm listening in my head, then a name comes out of nowhere. A picture flashes through, a horse beside a fence line, and I know it's really true. I know it sounds impossible, I know it sounds strange, but love doesn't disappear. It only learns to change. It hides inside a color or a song inside my head, a picture with a message from the living and the dead. This is no ordinary day, no ordinary life I live. You're dancing in the mundane, like light through kitchen glass. It may look like I'm just standing here, but whole worlds keep on speaking. What seems ordinary to me is your extraordinary. Just another day, breathing out and breathing in. Somewhere in the silence, the unseen walks in again. What seems ordinary to me, this is your